Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to solve another easy and beginner-friendly LeetCode problem number 1051 with checker. So this is a beginner-friendly array problem, but it teaches an important concept of comparison and sorting. So we will first understand the problem statement, then discuss the intuition, move towards the solution, explain the code step by step then finally talk about time and space complexity. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first let's understand the problem statement carefully. So uh, first, so here we are given an array called heights. This array represents the heights of students standing in a line. Now the school wants students to stand in non-decreasing order of height, meaning smaller height should come first. Example 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 is valid because numbers are in and integer. 3, 1, 2 is not. So our task is to find how many students are standing in the wrong position. Meaning, compare the current arrangement with the sorted arrangement and count positions where heights are different. So let's understand with an example. Suppose height is 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3. So sorted will become sorted array. Wait a second. Sorted array will become like 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So difference occur at index 2, index 4, and index 5. So answer becomes 3. So here one more important observation. Like the question is not asking us to sort the original array. It only asks how many indices are different from what they should be. So the simplest idea is make a copy of the array, sort the copied array, compare both arrays, and count mismatches. That's very straightforward problem. So our approach will be like we will create a copy of original array. Why? Like why? Because we don't want to lose original order. Then step two, we will solve the copied array. This will give us the expected order. Now we will traverse both arrays together. Now, if height of I is not equal to sorted of, that means student is standing at wrong position. Then we will increase the count variable. And finally return the answer. So now we will first write the code and then we will understand it step by step. So, with that in expected equals to times. We will sort expected dot begin uh, comma expect expected dot end. Then we will create a count variable and will count equals to 0 and we will use a for loop that will less than heights what size I plus plus and if types of I is not equals to expected of I, we will increase the count variable. At last, we will return count. So now let's run the solution and check if it is needed for all the examples. Okay, I have forgotten S. So now let's check. Mm, So as you can see, our solution is accepted for all the examples. So now we will submit it and check if it is needed for all the possible use cases. So as you can see, the solution is accepted. So now let's understand the code step by step. So first we have created a copy of the original vector. So then this stores the original values. Then we have sort the newly created vector, and now we have the correct expected order. Now we have initialized a count variable at 0. We will store the which will count the mismatches. And then we are traversing both the arrays using a for loop and comparing if heights of I is not equals to expected of I, then we are increasing the count variable, and at the end we are returning the count. So this was the solution. And you might think like, can we do better? Since height values are limited between 1 to 100, we can use counting sort for order of n time. But for interviews and beginners, the sorting solution is clean, easy to understand, and accepted. So now let's talk about complexity. As we know that sorting takes order of n log n. So time complexity also becomes order of n log n, and comparison loop takes order of n. So overall order of n log n is the time complexity. And we have created a copied array. So uh, space complexity becomes order of n. So that was the complete explanation and solution of the lead code problem number 1051, right, written in CPP language. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down which lead code problem you want to reach. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.